Look, the £20 hoover turned up, mush. Don't know if it works yet. Look, just got out of the box. Battery. Hoover. And unwrap her and see what she works like. Get ready for a laugh. Works like a charm, mush. Fucking loads of shit in it already. Oh, Stewie, you remember that hoover that I bought? It was amazing for 20 quid. Look, it's broke. Look, I can't even put a battery on it, mate, without it going off on its own.